Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to part 2. Let's check out the pavements all around the neighborhood. We're actually gonna walk today here in the Chao Ti Vin Te street to the right. We're not gonna continue the street here. We're gonna go to Chao Ti Vin Te, see what's new, what's brand new street food goodness they have. This is the perfect time to go on a food tour and explore the city's delicious cuisine. And if you're living or staying around the Antung area here in the main tourist neighborhood that calls Antung Tourist Neighborhood, that's literally what they call it, tourist town. So you probably will stay here around that area. This is the closest you can go to very authentic local street food here in this street. We still have this street. It's very messy at the moment, and the pavements are in absolutely very bad conditioning over there. So I would skip that for this next 2-3 weeks. It's madness. I don't know what exactly they're doing. I guess it makes sense. It has to be done. Maybe there's something with the rainwater system, but they have to do something. So this is almost unwalkable there, and there's so many of my favorite dishes over there. But that's why we're gonna walk here. The Chao Ti Vin Te street. Always something new. Always something new opening up. Very interesting to try out. Great food here. It's also one of my favorite banh mi's here in the way. So everything in this video. Oh my god, this looks so dangerous here. My god. You gotta be very careful, guys. Vietnam is the end boss with ankle breakers. Ban Beo, Bun Mam, okay. So this is a evening spot here, like a snail place. And in the morning they have noodles. And you gotta be looking everywhere. Motorbikes coming out of every single corner, guys. Always be careful here. Ban Hoi, okay. Ban Kun. Ban Kun. Interesting. Some places are also only open in the morning, guys. And the best breakfast spots closing at 10 a.m. And they're only operating 5 to 10 or something like that. They're so good. But I never try them. Sometimes I had, but my wife sometimes tells me there's some very good spots. But I usually start eating at 3 p.m. I try to do my intermittent fasting every day and get my steps in. When you see this, I'm probably in Hong Kong. So I made all the videos now this week. So you have a video a day, but I'm actually gonna be in Hong Kong. And with my wife. It's gonna be the first time for her to be in Hong Kong. It's gonna be very nice. I'm super excited. I love Hong Kong. I don't know why. It has something magical. Always like to go back there. Check this out, a new pho place here. Chicken pho. Lots of dentists here also. Little shops. This has closed already. This was a mini mart. Look at this. Oh my god. And there's a random wire here. If you watched Final Destination, you're gonna be more scared in Vietnam probably. Look at this. This is Grandma Vuong. Oh. I cannot order it. I cannot eat it now. We'll see if Eric is there. Just gonna wave in. No, he's not there. Only his mom. It's empty. I don't know why it's empty. It's so good. It's just the best. Try it out, guys. And if you want to have the best food spots and hospitals and all kinds of miscellaneous things, everything you need about Da Nang, get my Google Maps guide, guys. It's linked in the description or in the first pinned comment. Funny thing is, I tried out all these places here already. They changed a little bit. One of my first videos I did on my main channel was this place. Very, 3 years ago or so. But they had to remove their grill from here, from the pavement inside. Mi Quang. Oh, they're closing already. So that's the sign, guys. In the morning, they're closing early. They have Ban Kun as well here. All the dishes getting washed on the street here. Lots of barber shops here as well. Pet shops. A little bit of chaos here on the pavement. There was better last month. The problem is sometimes it's like the police enforces rules and laws, and then they stop enforcing it, and then everything goes back to normal, and then you don't have walkable pavements anymore. This is a typical lunch spot. Always good. Always busy, always good. $1 meals, lunch, great. But I try to eat at home at the moment the most. I want to have like I want to exactly know where my ingredients come from. But if I want to have something fun, I always go out. This is also a great Ban Kan place. It was also in my video. Great Ban Kan place. Looks not good, I mean from outside, but the quality and everything was very good. Look at these ankle breakers. My God, this is like literally the door to hell. I would not step on this thing. We're gonna walk a little bit of a side street here. Oh, look at this. Daksan Beni. Huh. Buncha. Interesting. They changed. Before that, they had different dishes. I ate here one time. I filmed even here. Interesting. Now they have buncha here as well. Okay. Yesterday we ordered buncha from Taiho. Taiho? Buncha Taiho, Hanoi, something like that. Was good. Was very good. I think there are some good buncha places here. It's just a big competition. You have to perform at some point. I will definitely make a buncha tour. But the best buncha places are usually not AC. But this is now to eat buncha. Now you don't need AC. You can just go in a restaurant with a fan. It's not that hot at the moment. And this is only today, okay guys? And I can tell you what day is this. It is Saturday, July 4th. This is also new, Mi Quang. Interesting. Probably already closed. Only breakfast spot. Rent is so expensive here for the street vendors, or like the prices that they offer, that they usually just rent out spots for a few hours, 6 hours or something. And then other business comes in the evening. It's often like that. But this is the electric. Oh my God, this is new. Check this out, this is like a tricycle. Hello, how are you? Okay. That's new.
That is new.
It's like a tricycle.
Yes, tricycle for I think you
That's good. That's awesome.
How about your channel?
Oh, very good. Everything is good.
I came here a few times.
Oh, okay. Nice.
He's my best friend.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay. All right. So you get so much new things here, and the camel. I like the camel. If you're a big guy, this is like for big guys, right? You can transport a lot of kilograms, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye. Okay, guys. This might be something interesting for you. If you cannot walk that good, but you don't want to be on a scooter, this is like the safer alternative, and it's electric. Oh God, I'm so scared, guys. Ah! Oh, I watched too much Final Destination, guys. Oh my God. We made it. But yeah, not many. There has so many electric bikes at the moment. I guess business is slow at the moment. But yeah, this is also a good place to rent. They have a lot of good services. I think the last time I had them also on my very first motorbike guide. I had them there as well. But we also filmed it in German. Good guy. I usually don't rent motorbikes, but they have good services there, and a lot of people I know they use them. Okay, how can I cross here? I cannot cross like this. That's not good. I gotta use the official one. I'm also German, so we don't jailwalk. But even though I don't even know the German word for jailwalking, I only know it in English. Ugh. Look at this, there's a mattress store. 50% off. You need a new mattress? You're sleeping on the hardest mattress of your life? You move to Vietnam? Get a new mattress here. I have to become a salesman in mattresses. Helmets. They look used. Maybe they're stolen. Oh my God. There you can get your key fixed. I don't have a key anymore. I only have my fingerprint opens my door. Pretty modern, very nice. Okay, how can I cross now? Whew. Is it green? Oh no, it's red. Damn it. Oh, it's green, it's green. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Another thing, please be very careful, okay? Very, very careful. When you wanna cross this big street, okay? Now, everyone who drives motorbike, please also tell them the street is so bad here, especially over there. When you cross the street like this, okay, with the motorbike, in an intersection over there, the Spuren, it's a German word, I have no idea what it is in English, it's like this, okay? Because the big trucks, very hot heat, big trucks driving non-stop over it and doing this little, something, Spuren. And if you drive with your motorbike like this, you do this, boom, 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 boom. And then you maybe, boom, 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 you fall. So be careful, guys. Even worse is when you go this, boom, 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 boom. No, you drive like this, and then you want to go left in one sip. And then you do this, left, boom, 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 bam. Oh. I can't believe I got a A+ in English back then in the school time. But yeah, didn't work out that well. But be careful, guys. If you drive motorbike, I don't drive, but I see it all the time. The locals almost jump on their seat. It's that bad, especially intersection Doba and this big street. The big street. So the big street, why is it a big problem? This big street goes all the way to the port, gets all the heavy containers, and then goes back south. And yeah, it's very bad. It's very heavy things, and they ruin the street, which is normal. I mean, this is the number one income for the country, is like exporting, I guess. And so it's a very important business, more important than tourism. It's not Thailand, but it's like it ruins the streets, and maybe they will find a better solution than this. A train would be great. A fast train, a container train that transports goods like that. That would be good. I'm gonna go to Jeremy's, meeting my friend Tommy for a little coffee. But yeah, it's also the new neighborhood here. A lot of motorbikes parked here. Interesting. But this is basically also, again, the brand new neighborhood. I really like it. I like living here in this neighborhood. It's still a ghost town here, this one, but it will be very good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tomorrow we will have sunny walks again, because I already recorded them. Thank you so much. Check out this video and see you in the next walk.